411, day 2. Today we finished gutting what's going to be our part. Took all the horrible insulation and about 100 pounds of rat poop out. Well, he did that. I finished cleaning this room except for the 2 big pieces. And this room except for the 4 big pieces. Ours. And then finish this room, including the tub that needs to go out, that mattress, and those washer and dryers need to go away. And we burned a bunch of crap and about 1,000 pounds of clothes, which I did feel sorry about and bad about, because I would have really liked to have gone through them and donated them to somewhere, but the house, it was entirely like this, and it's just overwhelming. Oh, let alone that there's little dead mice, little dead rats, and poop, and all sorts of other things. There's a never-ending fire, and a growing garbage heap. And I started weed eating and raked it to hopefully get rid of ticks before we spray. And he's up there chopping shit down now for our view, so we can sit out there in the evenings instead of looking at this.